Hello guys, this is Tutorial Stream, and in this video you will learn how you can change your username in the Duolingo app, for example on your Android phone. So let us begin. In the first step, launch the Duolingo application, and what you will need to do guys is simply tap into that smiling face icon here at the bottom. So let me do that really quickly, and after that tap into that gear icon in the top right corner to edit your profile. So let me do this. And last but not least, tap into this field here below name as well as username and simply type in your new username, just like that, for example. Just bear in mind guys that you can use only a maximum of 16 characters for that username, and once you're content with your new username, tap into save in the top right corner to save your changes and to use your new username here on Duolingo. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.